what this video is about. It is about my body transformation from this 1 month. I have taken a 1 month fitness challenge, which I have done it before. Actually, the thing is that I grew up as a very thin, skinny child, but as I hit my 20s, I started gaining a lot of weight. Like, I became very fat beyond my expectations. So I started taking things seriously and I started working out, and it turned out really very well for me. If I have my old pictures of how I gained weight and how I lost weight, like before and after, I'll add it in this video later on. I'll do some digging. And it happened to me again. Because of quarantine and the lockdown, I was just sitting at home and eating and all that thing. In just 2 months, I gained so much of weight and I was literally worried. So I thought, let's do it again. We have done it before and we can do it again. So I have taken this 1 month fitness challenge and the results are fantastic. I have taken photos of every week. So this fitness challenge was divided in 4 weeks. So before starting with the tips and the ideas and everything, first we'll watch it before and after. So this is the picture of me 1 month back, that is 1st May. And this is me now. So you saw how fat I was then. Like, there was a lot of fat in my body which I had to shred. So I have categorized my exercise in 4 weeks. The first week I mainly focus on shredding the fat, like losing fat. So I mainly do only cardio, and the first week is very difficult for everyone, like when they start working out, because your body is not habitual of that much of exercise and movement. So you'll have cramps and your leg will pain, like your back will pain, hands and everything. But after 2, 3, 4 days, mostly 4 days it works for me. After 4 days you will get habitual to it, and slowly you will also increase your stamina. Like, if you can work out for 20 minutes at the beginning, after a week you will start working out for 30 minutes. Like, your stamina increases, your time also increases, and you should push it. It is not like I work out for 20 minutes every day, so it is like 20 minutes only. It should be, you should try to increase 5 to 10 minutes every other day, like after every 2 days or 3 days. So in the first week it is very difficult to like exclude everything from your diet and start eating healthy, and changes doesn't happen soon, and nobody likes changes. So what you can do is you can reduce your diet. Like, if you have 5 chapatis or maybe say 4 chapatis, just reduce 1, eat 3 chapatis, and try to include salad in your diet. If you are having 3 chapatis, have a cucumber or have a tomato or something like that, and include more fruits. And there's also a tip which I learned, that eat fruits before your meal, like 1 hour before your meal and not after your meal. So do that, and for the first week I think that is enough. Just work, do the cardio, shred fat, and switch, like lessen your diet, and add a bit of healthier things like salad and fruits in your diet. For the first week that should be good enough. And the jeans that I'm wearing today in this video is 4 years old and it still fits. So just imagine how beautifully this workout period of 1 month worked for me, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So stay tuned and let's roll the footage. today it is so hot and I'm sweating so badly. I guess you can see the sweat. I don't want to gross you out. What I do is I switch off the fan and there's no air conditioning, so it helps to shred a lot of fat and sweat, which helps you lose fat. Actually, I don't switch off the fan, I just make it really slow. And after taking a shower you feel very fresh, very energetic, so it's worth it. So the second week what you have to do is you do cardio and also focus on your toning, like toning portion of your body, because it is equally important. First you can do cardio and then you can do the regular workouts and focus on the toning of your body. And now it's time to add more healthier things in your diet, because see, it is very important that you balance your exercise, workout and your diet equally, so it goes together or else it won't work. So it is time to add some protein in your diet, some fiber. Have bananas, have mangoes, have boiled egg. Don't have fried egg, it contains oil, so it is not good. So have boiled egg and remove the yolk. So you can do that because the yolk contains a lot of fat, so exclude that and have just the white. Have 2 eggs every day, so that should do it. And keep working out. Of my second week, like it was total 14 days that I was working out, and you can definitely see the difference. And sorry, it's getting dark outside, so I had to switch the light. So I was talking about the diet and the nutrition of the body and all. So I skipped an important topic, that is what to eat after your workout. So after your workout, have a cup of green tea and try to eat some dry fruits. Mainly you must have almonds. That is very good for your health and also for your beautiful hair. It is very helpful, it is very good. And have fruit which contains a lot of water, like to hydrate your body, because after workout you shed a lot of sweat and your body really needs water, and it has to stay hydrated. So I usually eat watermelon or muskmelon after workout, and I definitely always have watermelon in my fridge. And this should work, this should do. The brand of green tea that I am using right now is Tetley. I used to use Lipton before, but it was not strong enough for me. I like my green tea to be like really strong, a little bit bitter. So I switched to Tetley, but Lipton is also good. You can try either according to your taste. If you like it to be a little bit mild, use Lipton. If you want it to be strong, use Tetley. So for the second week, this much sacrifice is enough. So moving on to the third week. Now if you want a detailed video in which you can see and follow along with me each and every exercise, then please let me know, comment down below, message me, WhatsApp me, DM on Instagram or something, or reach out, and I will be more than happy to make it happen. Now this is how I make my salad: cucumber, fresh coriander leaves, and tomatoes, and a bit of lime, and a bit of salt, and that's it. So yeah, that was the third week, and that was the third transformation, and this is the final result of my body transformation, and I am absolutely loving it. I'm loving my body right now, but I am not done. I'm not fully satisfied, because this is not the way I want my tummy to look. I want my abs and cuts and everything, and there is still love handles that I have to work on. This has not been completely gone, and saddlebags, I hope you can see, there is still saddlebags, and I have to definitely work on that. See, it is no magic. You are not going to achieve your body goals like in 1 month. It requires a lot of efforts, it requires a lot of hard work, but something better than nothing, right? Instead of just sitting in your bed and being lazy and stuffing all the junk food, you can just get up and work out a little bit, like at least 30 minutes a day or 40 minutes a day. It's not going to like harm you. It is good for your health, it is for your own betterment. So let's share the tips. What I do is, in the third week, I exercise 2 times a day. Yes, in the morning and in the evening as well. So morning it's only cardio for 30 minutes, and in the evening it is workout like pure toning and strengthening the core and all that, crunches and okay, that's a different subject. So that I do. And speaking about the diet, what I do, I skip one meal, the dinner. It is not completely skip. I eat healthy things in the dinner. Like I eat oats, one bowl of oats, two eggs, and I have salad, like one cucumber and one tomato, and I put lemon. And also I think you have seen it in the video how I make my salad. So that is the thing that I have in dinner. And morning time I usually eat fruits. I prefer to eat fruits because morning you must include food that contains a lot of fiber, because the, as it is a saying that the most important meal of the day is your breakfast. So include a lot of fiber in your breakfast. So I mostly eat fruits, and in the afternoon I just eat two chapatis and a bowl of dal, and in the evening oats, salad and eggs. And also eat a lot of dry fruits. Dry fruits is really good. And if you liked my body transformation and you would like to follow along with me, and you need a detailed video of my exercise, like a proper video which you can see and follow along with me, just let me know. Just comment down below, or please message me on Instagram. You can follow our Instagram channel. I will be putting the links down below, and who all knows me, they can WhatsApp me. Just get in touch. Just let me know if you need a proper workout video with the diet, like explaining you per day, like what to eat and how much to eat and all the stuff. So just let me know. I will be more than happy to make the video and make it happen for you guys. And if you like this video and like my body transformation, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.